Hi there, my name is Maggie and thanks for joining me. As many of us are home adjusting to our new normal, what better way to take advantage of this time with our families than to adopt some new healthy routines? This chia seed pudding recipe is a great kickstart to your morning and makes a delicious snack as well. Not only is it easy to make, but it's packed with immune boosting ingredients that'll keep our bodies strong. When looking for immune boosters, focus on foods that are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, probiotics, and protein. For this golden chai chia seed pudding recipe, you'll need almond milk, chia seeds, maple syrup, turmeric, and chai spice. All you need to do is mix all of those ingredients together in your bowl, starting with our almond milk. I like to add the spices in next. That way I can dissolve them a little bit more quickly. Then our maple syrup. And last but not least, our chia seeds. Give those a nice stir until they're all evenly combined. And in about 20 minutes or so, you'll notice this start to set up. I find it best made night before and then refrigerated overnight. When you're ready to serve, just add your favorite toppings. You can keep this in the fridge up to a week, and like I said, it makes a great breakfast or a delicious snack.